Hello, resistors are identified by using their color codes. So color codes are nothing but we see here, which are the rings across this metal film resistor which we are showing here. So one small color coding is basically done by basically identified by a simple sentence called B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife who wore gold and silver necklace. So using that simple sentence called a mnemonic, we can identify the colors. So what does that B.B. Roy sentence signify is the first letters of that. You can see here B.B. Roy of Great Britain GB has a very good wife VGW and who wore gold and silver ornaments, right? So or necklace basically. So this is the color codes that are listed here, and against this there is something called digit. So based on the color we see here, digit is mm, mapped against that color, and then there is a multiplier. So the last before one is called a multiplier and the last color is called the tolerance. So resistor is basically mentioned by its value and its tolerance, right? So leaving aside the other specifications, these are the major specifications using which we identify the resistor, right? So now if we see this resistor, okay, you can see the first one is brown. Brown is 1, right? So that means the first digit is 1. And then the second digit is black. So black is identified with digit 0. Okay. And the third one is again brown. So as we said, last before 1 is a multiplier. So if you see 10 into brown multiplier is nothing but 10 power 1. Okay. Which is nothing but 10. So which gives value of 100. So that means this is a 100 ohm resistor. A simple way to identify, right? Now, this last ring indicates the tolerance as we said. Now, if you see here, this is a gold color ring. So if you see the gold color ring, the tolerance is 5%. So this is a 100 ohms 5% resistor. So this is how using this color chart we identify the resistor color coding. So, a easy mechanism, right? The modern day engineers do not use these methods, but use multimeters to straight away measure the resistance. But if you see the olden days traditional engineers, they do identify resistors using their color coding. A drastic difference, right, in terms of engineering.